Hey guys, welcome back to GG's Garage. Today, picking up the Corvette Part 2. And now we're going to slacken out the gas since it's a little bad. It's 7 months old. It's kind of bad. And then after we're done with slacking out the gas, I'm going to change the oil. I'm going to do it tomorrow though since it's getting a little late. This might take a little bit too. So let's get to it. Alright guys, this is what we're doing. I got myself a clear tube so you guys can see it. Stuck it in the actual gas tank, as you can see. Stuck it in the gas tank, and then I'm gonna suck on it, put it into the funnel, sticking this thing dump down the gutter. No, I'm just kidding. Don't do that. Drop it off at your local mechanic or AutoZone. They'll take care of it. Don't dump it down the gutter. Alright, let's get to it. I'm gonna start sucking. Ooh, Lord. Is that bad?
Yeah.
Okay guys, well, UG got a little sick yesterday trying to suck up the gasoline. Actually, I passed out from sniffing too much gas. So I decided to go to AutoZone and buy this little contraption for 10 bucks. It's working out pretty good. It's actually sucking gas out right now. This jug's probably about, quarter way full. But give about 5 minutes and it's all empty. See you then. Alright guys, got some bad news. DG made a bit of a mash. It's put a bad gas on the floor, as you can see. It's a bit wet. It's evaporating, so no worries. But besides me getting a little bit of gas in myself and the floor, the gas tank's about empty. You know, as always, it's got a bit of gas in it. You can't take everything out of the siphon, but not most of it out. So it's probably about down gas in it, about 15 gallons. But once you're done with that, I would recommend you wiping the back of your car in like gas cap area with a wet paper towel to get rid of the gas and then spilled. Because you know you don't want eating away at your paint. It's gotta be kind of bad. So I'll see you tomorrow when I do my oil change. Time to do the oil change the Corvette. Did the drain gas yesterday. Now it's time for oil. Alright, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna jack up the car. But first we gotta cut off the tires. Cause you know, you don't want to roll them back. Got a brake right here. Use a piece of wood if you want. Not that big of a deal. Alright, and once you do that, I want to use jack stands this time. I got ramps, vinyl ramps. So jack it up and put the car on ramps because I can't push it up the ramp. I can slide a little bit. So, let's get to it. Hey guys, I turned my car into a dump. Like it? Here we go. It's pretty epic. About a foot off the ground. I think I'm pushing some stupid rims that are about this wide and about 3 feet tall on. It's pretty epic. Okay, everybody! He's back with the Corvette down. See? The high roller. I put my car on ramps. That makes so high. Now we're gonna change the oil on this bike. Let's get to it. Okay guys, Gigi's here underneath the car. Now it's time to change the oil. The oil drain plug is right here. And the filter is right now. So, I already got it cracked. So let's loosen this big up. Boom! Now that is some black oil.
He black.
That is so black.
He black.
Okay guys, here is the oil and the oil filter we're gonna use in our car. For the STTTTTTTT oil filter, it is the S3980 oil filter, okay? And for oil, we got the Mobil 1 full synthetic 5W30. Let's get to it! Okay guys. Okay, here's the oil filter. Now where we got this is slowly dripping. Take off the oil filter, cracked it. Make some screws. Whoops. Now what you want to do is, since it's dripping, just drop the oil filter right in the oil. Yeah, I like to make the splash, collected the oil, so here we go. Just drop the oil filter right back in there. Boom! Alright, bro. Here's the oil. That's some black. It's pretty black. You know what? I like to drink my oil. You know, I like drinking old dinosaurs. So, give me a little bit. This is gonna be all my good. So, catch you back. I'm gonna drink this back. Okay, guys. Rusty Data here. So, what I did so right now, took out my oil filter, SCP, right? And I poured like about right there. Put new oil in there. If I see. Right? And you get some oil remaining in the cap and right here in the little rose part. And put in the little filter O-ring bit so it will give it a suction. So let's put this big good. Here all your pinto Chavez's. Get the filter. Let's tighten this big on. You gotta do a little pass, hand tight. And then you get a tool and tighten it. But let's just get the tool and tighten it a little bit, up a little bit. Okay, buddy. Okay, so now I'm gonna put 1 quart of the Mobil 1 5W30 in my engine, and I'm gonna mix that with about 2 gallons of coolant. You know what? I like my car to smoke, like the smoke show. So let's add the coolant and the oil to my engine. Let's do it. Okay, everybody. Now Gigi's pretty peeping tired. We had a hard day's work on the Corvette. So now, I'm gonna give myself a little break. And I'll see you guys again tomorrow when we start working on the car again. Next time on Gigi's Garage, we're gonna try and crank this big over. And we're gonna check out the cooling system. Last time I checked the cooling system, had no fluid in it. So, see you later! Space Jam. Alright everybody, Gigi's in the house, he's editing. I gotta slowly big this up and running. I need some more RAM for me to do my process, okay? Got 10 more gigs of RAM. So let's enter this and see what happens. Hey Steve! I got the 10 more gigs up and running. Let's get the people